Real-time event detection is essential for ensuring safety, security, and operational efficiency across industries. Detecting critical events instantly enables organizations to respond faster and minimize risks. Traditional monitoring systems often struggle to detect events accurately in real time, resulting in delayed responses, missed incidents, and increased operational risks. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed a reliable event detection and alerting system powered by YOLOv8, enabling fast and accurate object detection with intelligent real-time alerts. The platform processes live video streams using the YOLOv8 computer vision model, identifies predefined events or objects, and instantly triggers alerts through an automated notification system, allowing teams to respond without delay. Key features include YOLOv8 powered object detection, real-time video analysis, automated event alerts, AI-based computer vision, high accuracy detection, scalable monitoring solution. The solution enhances situational awareness, reduces response times, improves detection accuracy, and enables organizations to proactively monitor critical environments.